Welcome to Brief Bits of Philosophy. I'm your host and teacher, Andrew Chapman. I'm an academic philosopher and I teach college-level philosophy classes to university students. This video is an introduction to academic philosophy in general, and in it, we will be discussing the history of philosophy, what academic philosophy is, and what its major branches are. Brief Bits of Philosophy is a series of videos written and produced by me and intended to provide you with a very quick overview of issues and topics studied by academic philosophers. Since each video is, by design, quite short, the issues covered are not discussed in depth. If you're interested in learning more about any of the topics covered, check out the longer philosophy videos on my channel, which go into great detail on the topics covered here. Philosophy is a discipline that has been around for about 3,000 years. Its origins can be traced back to ancient Greece, where philosophers such as Socrates, Socrates' student Plato, and Plato's student Aristotle were known for their deep reflections on the nature of reality, the nature of morality, and the subject of knowledge. The word philosophy literally means love of wisdom, and academic philosophy is concerned with understanding the fundamental nature of knowledge, reality, and existence. It's a discipline that seeks to understand the world around us as well as our place in it. It also deals with the big questions of life, such as the meaning of life, the nature of morality and ethics, and the relationship between humans and the universe. Philosophy is divided into several branches. Some of the major branches of philosophy include metaphysics, which deals with the fundamental nature of reality, epistemology, which deals with knowledge and justification, ethics, which deals with issues of what is right and wrong, good and bad, political philosophy, which deals with issues concerning the state and government, and logic, which deals with reasoning and argumentation. Philosophy is not only an academic discipline, but it also has practical implications in fields such as education, law, medicine, psychology, and politics. An important aspect of philosophy is that it encourages us to question our assumptions, to think critically, and to seek wisdom and understanding. It's a way of thinking, as well as a way of life. In conclusion, philosophy is a fascinating and rich field that deals with some of the most profound and intriguing questions about the world and our place in it. It's a discipline that has been studied for thousands of years and continues to be an essential part of human culture and civilization. Thank you for watching this Brief Bits of Philosophy video on the topic of an overall introduction to philosophy. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and also to check out the other videos in my Brief Bits of Philosophy series.